Yo, how we doing? A bit loud, a bit loud. Happy Monday, guys. I'm in a losing trade at the minute. I was hoping to get out break even, but I don't know if we will. Don't know if we will. Oh, I've already been stopped out because it's fucking changeover week, innit? Just not in the right place. 606. Stopped out in the dodgy micro contracts, man. I thought I was still in. Stop loss at 611. Annoying. Annoying. I hope everyone is alright anyway. I hope everyone had a good weekend. K-Man! How you doing? I've been thinking about you over the weekend. Innocently, I promise. I've got a guess for what you do. That's what I was thinking about, yeah. I'm check the fence, no. That would be the second reason I'd think about you. No, right, my guess for what you do for a living. Are you a civil servant? Right, there's no news for us to worry about the rest of the afternoon. I think we could have a choppy few days though. We got the interest rate decision on Wednesday, haven't we? Now I got close to it a couple of times though. What? Before I've got close to it. Oh, what's that going to be then? Can't remember what I said, that's the issue. There you go, I've been stopped out anyway, so no dramas about it being the micro. Yeah, a bit frustrating this trade. I got into it as I was heading out the door. And there hasn't really been any signs of sellers stepping in really. Buyers have looked quite strong. And by the time we was up here, I was thinking, right, I need to be getting out of this trade. I'm not liking it, but we never got the chance to get out of break even. Yeah, down at 1R today on the funded. No working for the gov. Oh, okay. I mean, if you're working for the gov, you're technically a civil servant, yeah? But I mean, that could be a whole fucking basket of jobs. Right, we are open in 30 seconds. Got to get a poll sorted out, bias for this session. I'm feeling like an initial pullback at least. But then potentially chop is what I'm thinking. Gonna practice account short. Get rid of that. Alright, let's get Nasdaq up. Nasdaq pushing straight up. Take us out for that Diet Coke and you'll find out. I'm not Dexter, by the way, don't worry. Great show. Oh, mate, Dexter was the one, wasn't it? Dexter was quality. Dako, good morning. Got the notification today. Nice, mate. Nice. I'm glad. Hoping to finish making my breakfast in the next 10 minutes. Better hurry up, mate. You'll miss the open. Okay, man, how have you been though, mate? How have you been? I haven't seen you in a good little while. You had a little break from trading, have you? Thank you, looking strong. Nathan, yo, how you doing, mate? How was your weekend? All good, thanks, mate. Been crazy busy. Markets have been an afterthought yet. Back for the winter now, though. Back for the winter. So what does that mean? You're very busy during the summer months, but very quiet during the winter. Mate, I'll figure out one day. I had a pretty hectic weekend. Well, just working, but I've been hitting the back testing like crazy. And yeah, had some very good results, really. This is my back testing for something new I'm trying. From January to June. Ignore June. I don't know what happened in June. Awful month in June, but other than that, really happy with that. Not bad results. Risking about 500 per trade. Yeah, smash this out over the weekend. Literally like one trade a day. If that, not always every day, but most days. And done within 20 minutes. I haven't even got Discord open up. So it's rollover day today, isn't it? I'm pretty sure anyway. Today or tomorrow. Looking pretty likely with current rates on Wednesday. Oh, I need to journal my loss, don't I? Tell you what, sellers are definitely dominant at the minute on ES. Today's first trade I've taken in ages. Show me on here, is it? All right. Tell you what, we're gonna get a dump in a minute, I reckon. Price pushing up, but the sellers are definitely winning on the delta. Uh, 820, 923. $46.48. Down 139 then. 139.44. Which puts me at, oh fuck, this has been a bit scatty. Break even on the month. Oh, stopped out on the practice trade. Finished right in time, NQ. Too high anyway though, so I'm eating chill. Yeah, I don't blame you, mate. I don't blame you. I don't think it's worth logging personally. Fucking knackered today. %100% of chat reckon long. Here we go, sellers are here. I don't like rollover days because I feel like volume's always split across the two contracts, isn't it? Has to go up. A dangerous statement, that, mate. My bet is down at least for a minute. Look at the delta. This is the ES chart. Sellers are definitely the larger players at the minute. 600 up here. That's 614. To me, the sellers stand out there, positioning for a big move is what I'm thinking, at least anyway. You watch this hit take profit. Stop me out by 1 tick. Oh, I need to get my chart actually marked up properly. I'm gonna jump in another little practice sell here, I think. Oh my god. Still pushing up, we're still pushing up. Been long NQ from 200, targeting 250. Nice, Nathan. I'm just being a perma bear today and one shorts. Great entry on the 200s, mate. 20 more points you there. I think it's a good idea to not look for lows today. One tick away. We get it, we got it. Well done, mate. Good trade, mate. Good trade. Nice 50 points on NASDAQ. Would do anyone. Michael, yo, man, how you doing? You still using EMA bounce strategy? Not changing it for a while. Sorry, no, mate, not anymore. I'm on the volume profile bandwagon at the minute. Volume profile bandwagon. It's been going alright. I had a loss this morning. I don't know why it's so blurry for. Yeah, it's not having it. It keeps going blurry. But I am, I'm break even so far this month with the loss I had this morning. But yeah, the last 2 months have been quite good. Just taking it nice and slow, risking $50 a trade. So much all your vids, just can't catch a stream still yet. I haven't been uploading anything, have I, mate? I'm a bit useless on it. But yeah, still not really got anywhere, mate. Still slowly grinding away, taking it nice and slow, not trying to rush it. I was just telling the stream at the start though, I've been doing some back testing over the weekend. I feel like this is looking pretty promising. Nearly 90 trades from January this year. Literally one trade most days of the week, sort of first 20 minutes of the session. And yeah, other than June, I don't really know what happened in June. It's been really good. So yeah, this looks promising. I'll see how this goes. If I finish July and August alright, then I might start looking to do this as well, because yeah, I like this. Yeah, I don't think I've ever had stats this good during backtesting. So obviously, different ball game in it. Training it live, obviously, but it was a good start at least. The man always inspired by your risk management, keeping the funders alive for ages. Yeah, still got him, mate. Still got him. Yeah, just under £1,000. Hit £1,000 on the last win that I had. But yeah, today's losses brought it back just below £1,000 each account. Those 1k each account. But it was a bit of a silly loss this one. I took it just before I was going out, and then as I got back, wasn't liking what I was seeing, but I was sort of too late to try and get out of break even. Frustratingly. My idea for a short isn't going amazing, is it? Good results, bro. Yeah, I mean, I think they look alright. I think, like I said, best I think I've ever had during the back testing. I'm trying to, Michael, look at like footprint charts and bitmap and stuff more as well. Especially like doing the volume profile stuff, looking at that at my areas of interest. I'm hoping will help improve things as well. No idea about any of that. Seen people with good success from it. Yeah, I haven't got any idea either. But you get a better idea when you look at it more, don't you? So that's what I'm trying to do at least. You know, how I feel like it would help is if say I've got an area of interest here, I'm looking to go short, I enter short at the level. If I don't see sellers step in and buying still looks quite strong, I can try and get out break even, try and close the trade early. If buyers are looking really good, sellers are looking really good, buyers sort of ease off a bit, maybe I'll look to push the take profit a little bit as well, just try and squeeze a little bit more out of it if it gives me that extra confidence in it. Just something as simple as that, like, could make a big difference. Cool. Cut my losers a little bit and then increase the size of the wins. Nice to catch reversals. Yeah, mate. Yeah, pretty much. Yeah, look for normally little one-to-one quick moves away from the areas of interest, basically. And if we catch a quick move and then it carries on going, fine. I'm happy with that as long as I got in and out. Doesn't have to be the oh, this is now the direction for the rest of the day or anything. It's just looking to get a very small reaction off of an area, basically. Yeah, I'm gonna cut this short because bars are still just going and going. So yeah, this is just me trying to read the footprint chart, just with no levels or anything, just trying to look at the delta on there. Obviously I'm not doing very well with it. Leo, how you doing, mate? How was your weekend, Leo? Good on yours. Yes, mate, not too bad, not too bad. Just busy working. Busy working. Back testing as well. I've been showing off my stats for my back testing. So this is from January this year. Trying to get through to August eventually, but still got a few more hours to put in. But yeah, really, this is probably the best results I've ever had back testing, I think. Just looking for one sort of trade a day, not every day, but most days. First 20 minutes of the session. Let's practice with a strategy, just like a volume profile strategy that I've been playing around with. How's Mrs. Yeah, she's alright, mate. 38 weeks today. Yeah, 38 weeks today. Which is pretty mad. So yeah, anytime now, really. Anytime now. All of the emotions, nervous, excited. Phone not loud, yeah, I've got it right in front of me. But yeah, every time I go out anywhere, yeah, phone's definitely got to be on loud. And try not to go out, really. But yeah, just excited for him to be here now. Market's complicated for the last few days, very slow for me. Yeah, it's not been the best, has it, really? I don't think I took any trades last week. I took a loss this morning, Leo. Trying to short the previous week value error high. Wouldn't really have much resistance, just push straight through. But it was first trade in like a week and a half. About a week. I think we'll probably be markets probably won't be great until we get this rate cut decision on Wednesday, to be honest. I feel like whatever the situation is, we're going to get a sell-off afterwards, I would suggest. I think if we get the rate cut, it would be a sell the news event kind of thing. Like, markets have really been priced in a rate cut for the last few weeks, few months. And if we if they decide to not cut rates, that'd be mental. I think it will get a big sell off then. That'd be fun. What's the future symbol called on TradingView? The one I'm looking at is different to the one on Top Step. This one is micro ES. So just the micro chart on ES. This one's NQ. The only thing that might be different, mate, is this week is rollover week, so the contracts roll forward. So yours might have a Z. Because I think it's tomorrow that they actually change, I think. So for sure, pumping the market the last 10, 12 trading days yet. For a sell-off, do you think, Leo? Don't know yet. I think we sell off at some point towards the end of the week. There's someone from London told me that y'all say Z instead of Z in the alphabet. You guys say Z, don't you? Is that right? Yeah, we say Z. Never really thought about it being spelled out like Z. For some reason the charts are different for me, especially the M1. Yeah, I mean, when they changed the contracts, so I don't know if it would let me do it on Top Step. No, it's not going to let me. Trading View would be better to give the example. So look at the price now. So we're on 24,253. And if we change this out to a Z, which could be what you're on, we're at 24,500. So the price can change when you when the contracts roll over. It's a bit of a weird period. But yeah, if you're on Z, that's basically the right one, because that's what everyone will be on basically tomorrow. Let me have a look at the volume quick. Thank you, quotes. So mate, basically every quarter the contracts roll over. So this is the Nasdaq NQ. So at the minute we're on NQU, and then the next one would be NQZ, which is the December contract. And basically when there's more volume on the December contract is when it normally rolls over. So there's a period of a day or so where the volume's a bit split because people are trading both, and then everyone flips over to the December one, and then this one there'll be no volume on, and obviously you don't want to be trading it then. But yeah, that's why the prices can be a bit different. Look at the prices here: last 255, last 497. But there's still slightly more on the September contract than there is the December contract. But if you're on Top Step, it does it automatically, so you don't really have to worry about it. On Trading View or like Tradeify or something, you normally have to do it. Maybe we're after the news, big sell-off, yeah, something like that. I can see that happening. Zigzag. Well, zigzag. Kept it a small move. Right now the market really is bubs up, yeah, all-time highs, yeah, man. When it breaks, just hold 50 points. That's what Nathan basically did, yeah. Yeah, I mean, for me, it's I don't want to be buying at these levels. It feels like to me as well, looking at the footprint, that the larger players are accumulating shorts, as far as I can tell, looking at footprint with hardly any experience. I mean, look at the difference between NQ and ES, man. NQ's hardly pulled back. ES has pulled back quite a bit. Yeah, it might be because I'm zoomed out a bit more, but Tradeify switches for you today. I think it changed ES and YM. Yes, for some reason though, only changed the micros for me. I suppose it depends on the volume, doesn't it? But I've got micro ESZ up, but then the ESU up on the minis. But I think it only rolls over automatically. I think if you have a box ticked, basically a checkbox to say that you're happy for it to do it. If that's not ticked, I don't think it does it. In Brazil, at least on days or contract switches, arbitrage trade that people do between the two contracts, yeah, the spread in price usually goes one way. Okay, cool. I think in the US markets it's kind of the same. And people find anyway, don't they, to make money. I imagine it's done in the US as well. It's probably just a bit more efficient in the US or something, and it feels like it's pretty much the same. We call rollover days. Yeah, I think I do as well. First 30 minutes, usually price moves very aggressively to one side. Sometimes it reverses all the way, just by volume. Okay. Yeah, it's interesting. I mean, we had market pushed straight away on market open, didn't it? What happened to YM today? Let's have a look at YM. Oh yeah. Working on my overtrade, and I've already locked myself out of the account. Apparently, that's good, man. That's good. Overtrading, I think, is one of the biggest account killers, isn't it? You taking many trades already, K-Man? In Brazil, the volume is lower. Rollover days, the influx of money is possible for 30 minutes. Okay, yeah. I find it mad that people are smart enough to create bots that can trade the arbitrage stuff. Just trade the tiny difference between different markets and just take take their little piece off the puzzle off. Piece of the pie off. Got a limit at 3 and didn't think it would count adding size for some reason. Oh, okay. Oh, so you can actually lock yourself out for adding more, is that right? So you can basically say, I only want to trade a certain amount of contracts or a certain amount of positions or whatever a day. That's quite cool. Apparently. Oh, fucking can't stop yawning today. I'm gonna go rethink my life. Have a good rest of the day. See you later, okay, man, mate. I'll see you tomorrow if you're around. Yeah, chips on board, mate. It's good to see you. Wow. See you, Ryan. Have a good one. If I'm seeing on Wednesday, stand by for a tricky week or for off a no steam. How about that? Yeah, we were talking about that earlier. I think either way, whatever the decision is, I think we have a bit of a sell-off later in the week. If they drop it as expected, I feel like we'll have a sell-off because it'll be a sell the news event kind of vibe. If they don't cut rates at all, I feel like there'll be a big sell-off then. The only possible scenario, I reckon, if we get a double cut, I don't think that's priced in, so we might pump up a bit then, but I think that seems unlikely. Yeah, it'd be interesting to see how it plays out. Double cut with shot market, sell off and follow. Yeah, potentially, yeah. Yeah, because then I suppose they'll be thinking the Fed is panicking. Bearish signal, yeah, it's good. Good observation, mate. It could definitely be a possibility. Didn't really think of that. I reckon we could potentially chop around, I reckon, for the next few hours. Especially the volume being split. Right, boys and girls, I'm going to call it a day early. I don't think there's much for me to be trading, to be honest. Taking a loss on the fundeds. Not really wanting to take another trade, to be honest, on the fundeds. And yeah, Nasdaq, we're just pushing up. Potentially we'll go sideways for a bit. Yeah, I think I might go and enjoy the evening. But yeah, take it easy though, guys. If you are still trading, I think it can be a bit nasty for the next few days. So play it safe. Don't make silly decisions. Right. Well, anyway, back tomorrow. Cheers for stopping by, and yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. Have a good one. See you later.